wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
Well, I'm excited about this game.
Yeah, are you?
Because it's fishing again. We're going fishing again.
Fishing?
Go fish.
Go fish.
Go fish.
Go fish.
Go fish.
You go fish.
Go fish.
Go fish. Go fish.
Kids, do you know the go fish game? No? You don't?
You don't? Wow.
We're going to teach you how to do it.
It's really fun and really easy, huh?
It is.
Yeah.
Basically, you collect not pairs, but 4 cards that are all the same. Meaning 4 tens, or 4 sevens, or 4 fives, or even 4 fours.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
And when you have that, you basically put those aside and count them at the end.
Yep, and they're yours.
But how do you get 4 cards of the same number?
4 of a kind.
4 of a kind. So, but how do you get 4 of the same kind? Do you know?
Maybe you say please and thank you.
No, that doesn't work.
That's
No,
funny.
no. The way we do it is basically I will ask you,
Okay.
Olivia,
Yeah.
do you have tens?
And then I will say please. That was funny, I'm sorry. Then, if I have any tens, I will say yes.
And I take them all.
Yep, and I have to be honest.
Yes, all of
But-
the tens basically that Olivia has, she has to give them to me.
All of them.
And then if I have a whole set of 4 of tens, I put them out.
Yep, but
If I don't,
then you have to keep them.
then I have to
in
keep
his
them.
hand. And I can ask for them back later when I get it.
Exactly.
But if he says, do you have 4 tens? And I don't, then I get to say, go fish!
No!
Go fish! Go fish!
And then I have to draw a card from the pile.
Yep.
From our deck.
Yep.
And then that card comes into my set of cards. And then it's your turn.
And then it's my turn, and then I get to ask for a card, and the whole thing happens over again.
Exactly. And then until
fun.
all of the pairs are laid out and I don't have any cards anymore or you don't have any cards anymore, that person wins.
Yep. No, yeah. No.
No?
Whoever has the most pairs.
Exactly.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
sorry.
So whoever has the most pairs at the end of the game, they win.
Yep, that's absolutely true.
Okay.
Good job.
So
So, go
we
fish!
shuffle and then I'll shuffle and then we can play?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's
Shuffle,
go.
and you pass out the cards.
Okay. Let's play.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah.
Shuffled the cards, I dealt them, and it is your turn.
Whoop. Okay. Okay. Let me see what I got. I want to see all of them. And do you have?
Make sure the kids should see them too.
Oh, sorry. My mistake. Okay, I just want to make them good. Okay. Do you have any 4s?
Go fish!
Ah.
Do you have any 9s?
Ah, man. Yeah, I have 2. No good for me.
Okay.
Do you have any 8s?
Go fish!
Aw. Okay,
Do you have any 1s?
go fish. And do you have any 5s?
Go fish!
Aw.
Do you have any 10s?
Go fish. But, do you have any 1s?
Boo hoo hoo. I I do. I even have 2.
Yay! Thank you. Your turn.
Do you have any 3s?
Go fish. Do you have any 2s?
Go fish.
Aw.
Do you have any 7s?
Aw, man, I just got one. Aw. Do you have any 8s?
Go fish.
Aw. I must like fishing. I go fish all the time.
Yeah, you do. Do you have any 3s?
Go fish.
Look at what I have.
Oh no, did you get some? Aw, man. Do you have any 4s?
Go fish.
Boo.
Do you have any 10s?
Go fish.
Oh, man.
But do you have any 7s?
I do.
I thought you did. Thank you.
Do you have any 1s?
Aw, man. I even thought of asking for 1s too. Okay.
You gave
Yeah.
me 3?
Yeah.
Woohoo! I got 4. I got 4.
I'm not doing very good at this game. Do you have any 7s?
Go fish.
Boo.
Kids, I have a 4. I'm gonna ask Olivia for a 4. Do you have any 4s?
You get 1 4.
Oh, just 1?
Yep.
I thought you had more than 1.
Nope. But guess what?
What?
I picked up a 7.
You got 4 of a kind?
Yep, I have 4 of a kind. There's 3 and there's 4.
Whoa.
And
Okay, but I still have 2 4 of a kind. You only have 1.
yeah, that's true. But I'm gonna get there. Okay, my turn.
Do you have... No, it's my turn.
No, you just went.
No, you just went.
No.
You just put down the
No,
7s.
because I picked up that from the Go Fish, and then you asked for the 4. It's my turn. Do you have any 6s?
Go fish.
Aw.
Do you have any 3s?
Go Fish. Do you have any 6s?
No.
I
Go
don't think
fish.
so. Oh! Woo! I got a 4. So I have a second set of 4.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you have any 3s?
Go Fish! Do you have any 3s?
No.
Yay! Oh, yeah, you had 3. So now we are tied. I have 3 sets of 4, and you have 3 sets of 4.
Do you have any 6s?
Aw, yeah, here you go.
Oh, but just 1.
Yep, just 1.
Ooh.
Yeah. Do you have any 2s?
Go fish.
Okay. Fishing.
Do you have any 5s?
Boo! Yeah, I just got one.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah, it's okay.
I have another 4 of a kind.
Uh-oh. Do you have any 2s?
Go fish. Do you have any...
Hold on, I can't get my card. Yeah.
Do you have any 6s?
Ah, boo!
I'm done.
Ah,
I
you
got
win.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4 of a kinds.
Yeah, and I got 3 4 of a kinds, and then I have 2 2s, and I have 3 8s.
Well played, Olivia.
Well played.
I won.
Oh no! Man,
I won.
You did win. What are you doing?
I'm doing the winning dance.
Oh.
I'm doing the winning dance.
Do, 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 do. My winning dance is different. I do like woo woo, but I won't do mine since I didn't win. I'll do it another time.
Well,
Ooh,
that was a fun game though.
that was a very fun game. Do you know what that fish is?
This one right here.
Yeah.
Should I show the kids?
Yeah, can you show the kids? Guess what, kids?
This one?
Yep, that is a clownfish.
Oh, but you didn't let me guess.
Oh,
Is this Nemo?
yes, that is Nemo.
Haha.
Yeah, did you know Nemo's a clownfish?
Yeah.
That's why he's so funny, huh? Haha.
Okay.
Do you know what the other one is? That one is a fish called a humu, nuku, apu, What? No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't
I
eat
can't
it.
eat a fish.
Don't eat that
I don't
one.
know what you said. Was that a different language?
Yeah, it's Hawaiian.
Hawaiian?
Yeah, Hawaiian. Yeah.
It's what? Ahumi kakadukadi?
No, silly. It's humu. Like who moos, like the cow, like who moos, the cow does, right? Humu,
Humu.
humu,
Humu.
nuku,
Nuku.
nuku,
Nuku.
apu.
Apu.
Ah.
Ah.
Yep. Humu, nuku, apu.
Nupakadadadadadikukakaka.
Do you know what else?
No.
It's also it's called the Hawaiian triggerfish.
Oh, I can remember that one. Hawaiian triggerfish.
Yep, and it is the Hawaiian state fish.
Oh, okay. Now I know. Wow, I learned something new again from you,
Yeah,
Olivia.
pretty cool, huh?
That is cool.
Yeah. All right, well, do you want to play again?
No, I kind of want to do some reading. I think I need to do some more reading. You're always so smart, and I'm not that smart, and I need to learn a little bit more.
Okay, you go read. I'm going to play by myself.
Okay, you go play by
All
yourself.
right, let's say bye to the kids.
Bye, kids! See you next
See you
time!
next time. Thanks
Bye!
for playing. Thanks for coming to dream again.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
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 Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!